This is a fit for a 2015 through 2019 Subaru Outback wagon with the factory installed stowable crossbars. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Motion XT 18 cubic foot rooftop cargo box. This is a dual-sided opening box accessible from both passenger and driver's side. Locks and keys are included. It is mounting to the factory crossbars with the included mounting hardware. This is the largest box to fit this vehicle without contact of the rear antenna or contact with the fully opened rear hatch. This box is 84.5 inches in length, 36 inches wide, and 17 inches tall. The box weighs 46 pounds. That must be subtracted from the weight capacity of the roof rack, which is 150 pounds, giving an overall weight carrying capacity of 104. Can accommodate skis up to 200 centimeters. This product and the full line of Thule products are available through rackoutfitters.com. See the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and promotions.